Send it, bro. Morning YouTube, we're working on Project Sleeper EK today. We're putting the full suspension on, lower control arms. We got the OEM Si Grill, SI front lip. We're gonna put them on today also. I don't know how I feel about these headlights. I don't know what my brother was thinking. I'm gonna show them to you guys. Yo Kev, how you feel about these headlights, bro? Gotta go, right?
Them shit gotta go, bro.
I don't know, I don't really like them. The stock headlights look good. We have the CTR headlights inside, but don't really feel these like that. So we didn't touch the front yet. Kev got the back all apart right now. Stock suspension's out. We're putting Skunk 2 black lower control arms. They got like the spherical ends, the rubber bushings. I was gonna go with teen suspension, but what are D2s?
No, these are BWRs.
Oh, BWRs. So I had the BWRs on my hatchback. They actually ride really, really good. So I decided to take them off my car and put them on here. They were on my street car. So I'm gonna put the BWRs on, and I think I have to just put the spacers in between the lower control because they came off an EG. The plan for today is we're gonna lower the car, put the wheels on. I got the OEM floor mats, we're gonna put those in. We're gonna get the grill and lip on and then put that back on. But first you have to make a decision on the headlights. Drop in the comments what you guys think of these headlights. These headlights, you think we should stay on here or the CTRs? Going CTRs?
Yeah, I go CTRs.
You shouldn't have never said you ain't like EKs, bro. Now you don't got no beard.
That's alright, bro. It's gonna go back in the mud. I'm gonna look sexy again.
Alright, we're gonna get started. We're gonna get the car lowered, set ride height, give the car an alignment, but I'll walk you guys through the process of the car. So we got one side, we got the driver's side on with the BWR rear suspension. This is how it's gonna look, the rear lower control arms. I have a tie bar from my old EK, we're gonna put that on also and polish it up after, but man, underneath of this car is super, super clean. It's just, this is a power wash, but other than that, this thing is pretty solid. So we're gonna get this side done, button up the other side, and then start on the front. And then for right now, I have a set of black slips just to put on here to see what the car's gonna look like. I like the black on black look. If I had a set of TEs, I probably would have put them on, but this car is like nothing crazy, just a regular street car. After we're done, we'll go for some pulls, see how like lowering the car kind of does for power and stuff like that. Hopefully it still spins like it used to. All right, so we got the back suspension fully on. Shit looks really good. And then change of plans. I guess my brother doesn't want slips, so he got some black bronze Konigs for now. Until we get some black wheels, I guess, but you guys need to let him know to take off these shitty ass headlights, right? Yeah. Headlights gotta go. You taking these shits off or what? Don't do no stupid shit, cause you're gonna break them. Someone's gonna buy them. Well, front suspension is on, coilovers.
Just about tired of your shit.
I said that from the beginning. I said the headlights are ugly. Why do you got them inside the car? No. Don't. Yo. Someone could have bought those headlights, I guess, but he just never liked those headlights ever since we got them. You know someone
like my fucking headlights?
You know someone could have used those shits, right? Damn.
Leave me alone today, bro.
How do you guys feel about these wheels? They're actually they're actually growing on me. You like them? They're staying on here or not? These are, I think they are 15s, 205 50 15s. What's the offset? What's some nice tires though? Nankings? You don't even know the offset on here. Is it? Oh, it's right here. It's gonna be a 15
plus 35.
15 by 7 plus 35, 4 by 100.
7.5.
Oh, 15 by 7.5?
Yeah.
The fitment is pretty good on here.
Then you got a, what's that tire, 225?
No, it's a 205 50 15. How low are we going with this? To the tire? Like all the way down, maybe an inch in the back?
I actually kind of like these bronze wheels. I might put the bronze valve cover on here too.
Bronze valve cover?
I have one.
You guys were just saying that you guys like the gray.
I like the gray, but you got bronze wheels. You know, have
bronze wheels, bronze valve cover? Maybe bronze wheels, black valve cover. I'm trying to imagine this real quick. You guys just did bronze on bronze. Bronze maybe on
Everybody that's watching, when is that car leaving?
today. That's leaving today.
Oh, it's leaving today?
Yeah. Today as in what's today? What's today's
I
date?
wish the guy was close so you could see his face, like his reaction.
What's today's date?
Today is...
Because I don't know when I'm dropping this video, but
So today's Thursday the 12th. I know the videos are kind of late, like later on, but it's leaving today. Like I said, I wish we could get the guy's reaction, but whatever it is, what it is.
he's pretty far. We're going racing this weekend, but the car's going to New Orleans. Car's leaving today, and he's gonna get the car on Saturday. So I don't know whenever you guys watch this video, but I will post up. I'll try to tell him to record his reaction, but that's pretty tough to do. But I'll get a photo with him. But this thing needs
You gotta go down some more.
needs way more love.
If this is a fucking EG, you know I wouldn't have to ask you twice, right?
Yo,
I don't like that.
yo, you don't like it? Guess what happened to your beard, bro?
It's alright.
Hulk Hogan ass. So we're gonna go down with this. We're probably gonna bring it all the way down to the tire, and then the back's pretty much like nice, but I think 1 more inch in the back. But that's pretty much how it's gonna sit. Rear load control arms are on. Let me give you a better view. This exhaust looks really good. We'll probably polish that up, polish up the tie bar, power wash the whole car. And then after when I get the car done, I'll put the mats in it. Let me know what you guys think. Should we keep the stock interior in here? It's not a sleeper no more because we're lowering it, but we still gotta put the front lip on, front grill, and now I definitely have to buy, I have a set of new headlights. We're gonna put them in. We're gonna put the CTR headlights in, and then see what it looks like after that. This shit just keeps getting better. Yo, what are you doing? What are you doing?
So you're gonna take the pinstripe off, right?
You don't. I like the pinstripe.
Come on, I got a silver pinstripe and gunmetal wheels. It just doesn't go right.
Can you tell people?
Pinstripes on a Honda? What the fuck are you? 70 years old?
Oh, can you tell people what are you using? Because a lot of people don't know about that tool.
So this is an eraser wheel. It's good for anything.
You said an eraser wheel?
Yeah, that's what they really call it. It's like made out of like a pretty soft material, like rubber material.
How do you use it?
You just put it on the car.
That shit took the pinstripe right off.
Yeah, so you don't want to use.
You gotta buff this after?
Yeah, I'll probably buff it out later, but this is the safest thing to use on your paint for anything that's like stickers, decals, or whatever to get off the car, and you don't want to scratch it with a razor blade, so this is what you want to use. And it's pretty easy. I mean, some people be scared, like, you kind of want to move quickly so you don't really burn, and you don't want to sit in one spot so you don't burn through the clear coat or anything like that either, so I kind of show you that. So I don't go too fast either. Keep it like a certain speed.
That thing came right off.
That's it. I'll wash the car after, and I'll buff it, and you won't even tell it was there.
This thing looks good. Your fault he broke the headlights though. Your fault, 'cause I told you he wasn't gonna like those shits. We got the CTR headlights here, CTR style headlights. They're not OEM, but they look just like CTR headlights. Carbon fiber spoon mirrors we're gonna put on here. And we have some black steel lug nuts that we're gonna also put up here. So he got the pinstripe off on the passenger side. So we're just gonna wax the car after. And this is pretty much where it's gonna sit for ride height. We're gonna put the front bumper on, grill and lip, and then we'll pull the car out, wash it, probably wax it, and then probably go for a spin, you know, put some tire shine on it. And the car's pretty much done. I gotta just put the floor mats in. All right, so we took off the Nardo gray valve cover, and we have a bronze one in stock for another car, so we're just gonna use it on here. So check this out. You got silicone?
Yeah.
See how that looks. It's a little shade off, but I think with all the black accents on there, I think it'll look pretty good. How do you feel about the bronze, bro?
It looks good. It goes with the car.
So we got the CTR headlights, style headlights in. So what we gotta do is just put the front lip, the OEM Si Grills on. And then we're pretty much almost done. You guys gotta see what my brother's doing. He's putting the finishing touches on the EK hatch. What are you doing, bro?
Well, I got my ass chewed last time this happened. A lot of people took this the wrong way. You know, we always joke around and fuck around. That last part, that part of the video was supposed to be towards fucking around with Tommy, and it kind of got carried away. And so I bought another plate.
How much did you pay for that plate?
Conjo Racing, baby. If you guys don't know who these people are, if you ever see those videos of those dudes in Japan, like especially I think it's called like Osaka or something like that, it's called the Highway Loop. and they always race and they're doing like fucking pretty much like hooligan shit on the street, racing on the highways and stuff. So that's those guys. Much respect to them, and I'm gonna put their plate on the car. So we're gonna do some hooligan shit, baby.
Can we do some more hooligan shit today? Since you got the plate on it.
So I don't want to drill this plate. As you guys know, it's a JDM plate, so the holes aren't correct with the US car. So I'm just gonna put it like this now with one screw.
You should put it on the front.
It's okay, baby.
It's alright, bro. It's registered.
Alright, so this is pretty much how the car is sitting. We're gonna put the mirrors on now, and then front lip, and then the valve cover is completely on. I put a brand new K-tuned breather, K-tuned oil cap. I don't have the dipstick here, so that's gonna have to stay on there for right now. A key feature to making your interior look great, I'll show you guys, are mats. I got the OEM floor mats. These aren't like the original ones, these are like the secondary, because they have like the OEM ones which are like, they're gray, which is the ones that are supposed to be in here, but these are the ones that just like the Honda made after. So I put the back ones in, show you guys, just makes everything look that much cleaner. You see that cargo cover is on back there. If anyone has one of those trunk plastics, let me know. I need to get one. The one that was in here was already broken. So I got the floor mats in. I'm gonna put the front ones just to show you guys like how much of a difference it makes. So if you guys are riding around looking like this, that's not the wave. So I'll show you guys. Let's put these in. I'll show you guys right after. Just looks that much better in here. It looks like really clean. So let's get the driver one in there. This back. All right, ready? You guys see that? Kind of just looks naked. It kind of just looks naked, like something's missing. So put that one back in there. Right there, here we go. And check that out. Now the interior looks pretty much complete. I don't know what I'm gonna get a stock radio, I think, because I don't really like this. And then the interior just needs to get detailed. Don't know what we're gonna do with the shift knob. I think we're just gonna keep it with the factory shift knob. But interior is pretty much done for now. It's gonna just change the mirrors now. So it's a fucking sad day here in New England, bro. The fucking hatch is leaving.
I'm actually happy. So I can actually enjoy it, you know?
Yo, hatch is leaving, bro. Hatch is leaving. I'm not even gonna talk to your ass. What happened to your face, bro? Transporter is here. Hatch loaded up.
Excuse me?
No, I'm making a video.
Got it.
Car's going to New Orleans. How long is it gonna take you to get there?
Huh?
How long does it take you to get to New Orleans?
I don't know, honestly, I didn't check my way, but I'm supposed to be there, I think, tomorrow evening.
That's pretty quick.
Yeah, I will try as much as possible. I don't know how the road is going to be, right?
So the car's going to New Orleans. Today is Thursday. Let's say the car will get there, I guess, by Friday, Saturday. And then the new owner is already verified. He got a valid driver's license. So I can't wait for him to get the car. He has Instagram, he has Facebook, and he follows us on YouTube. So I don't know how to tag people on YouTube yet, but I got his Instagram and his Facebook. I tagged him on the last post. But man, it's pretty sad to see this car go though. Like, hopefully he enjoys it, keeps the car in this condition, but I guess on to the next one. We just rolled the car outside. The sleeper is officially not a sleeper no more. This thing came out amazing for the short period that we worked on it. For everybody that's probably gonna ask, we had everything in stock. So usually I don't keep a lot of stuff in stock, but I usually got like mirrors, headlights, lip, like mud guards, floor mats, like stuff that makes the car actually look good. I'm gonna turn the camera around now, show you guys the car, and drop in the comments what you think of the overall like one-day build that we did here. So check this out. It's not as sunny outside, so I'll give you guys a quick walk around. The front lip is on now. OEM Si Grill, the CTR style headlights, and my brother put the mirrors on. These shits look really good. I like them better than the factory mirrors. Don't know how I feel about the Konigs. I think the Konigs look pretty good. You said you didn't like the black slips?
I just feel like we put them on every car, so something different. It looks different too.
Hold on. You know what the boys want to see?
What?
You think this thing's gonna rip with those tires on?
Hell yeah, why not?
I think we should go for another spin. I'll give you guys a just quick tour around it real fast. Here goes the back suspension. Back suspension is fully on. Still got to detail the car. For a one-day build, it's not bad. It was a sleeper when it came in here. The mats are in. I'm gonna keep the interior like this for right now. We'll open the hood for you guys. Oh my God. You're right. I give you, you got a good vision. The bronze valve cover does look good. Check it out from this angle. The intake, the header looks really good. Valve cover.
We still got some work to do on the car, obviously. Clean up all this wiring. I mean, the person that did a good job, but
they did a great job.
They did a good job, but I would have ran this different. This is the sub harness. We'd have ran this on the inside. Ran this back on the inside.
Yeah, so you guys doing K-series, we usually run the sub harnesses behind the dash, not in the bay. But some people, you know, everybody runs it different.
Yeah, so we're gonna clean up the wiring. Like I said, clean up the heater core hoses. You know, get rid of this bracket, run a line straight, still keep the control valve in there, clean up the fuel lines a little bit. That's probably pretty much it.
So if you guys own an EK, it's pretty simple to make your car like look decent, you know? Set of mud guards, floor mats, wheels, suspension, control arms, headlights, lip, and you're pretty much good to go. You guys seen, this car was stock today. All this stuff was done in one day. But before we end this video, let's go for one last strip. Alright boys, last strip in the EK. Last strip in the sleeper EK. Ain't a sleeper no more, gonna see if it rips with these tires. I think it was better with the Steelies.
Yeah. It hooks up pretty good now.
Yeah, cause it got some like, they're not drag radials, but they're like, I want to say semi slicks, if that's what you want to call them. They're not street tires for sure, but we'll try it again.
And plus, I don't know if this car is even tuned, but it might need a March tuning.
Well, we're gonna get.
Maybe they should comment below what the car's gonna make for power the way it is right now, and what it'll make for power after.
All right, so drop in the comments right now. We are gonna dyno the car as is. The car runs good as is, but then we're gonna tune it again also with Jamie. So also drop in the comments, I guess, what do you guys think before and after horsepower?
Do another pull?
Fuck it, hit it, send it, bro. And like I said in the last video, if you don't got a K-series, go out and buy yourself a K car right now.
The only thing that sucks about these tires, it doesn't make the screeching sound like it did with the Steelies, but it's still a fun car though.
The car ain't a sleeper no more. We should still put the Steelies on. I think the Steelies would fit. Fuck it, one.
You think you can still do a burnout?
Fuck it. One last strip for the boys. I think this may be a second gear burnout. I think it'll definitely do a second gear burnout. All right, boys, here we go. We're gonna do a second. Yeah, it's still those burnouts, boys. All right, I'm gonna end this video here. Drop in the comments what you guys think of this overall day one build. And also drop in the comments what you think is gonna make before horsepower on a dyno and then after Jamie tunes it. We'll see you guys on the next one.